Lift ni, buff ni, it's easy to use lah. Kita tengok sistem dia pun simple. So if kalau macam budak-budak datang nak pakai, dia masuk je, it's not hard lah. So senang je dia masuk, tekan, dan the lift pun dia punya pun smooth je lah, tak ada masalah lah. Actually, why I'm choose ni bus is firstly because of the design. The design is very sleek and have a very good lighting. After I see several videos of Nibaf lift online, I said there's a very smooth operation and an easy system for the child to use. So it makes me think I can put this at my home and my children can use it. There's no wires visible, there's no screws, and it's a very good lighting. So it really shows at night. It gives a very luxury impression. So it really enhanced the build of my home.
The design is very sleek and kena lah because we are in the process of renovating our house. So we try to match our house theme with the lift. The design is very unique, but it gives a luxury vibe to our home. We are in the process of renovating our home. The appearance is very nice to our home.
The locking system, when it not locked properly, the elevator will not function as usual. So it gives us safety so that the parts will not broken, and also safety because it will not work if there any person underneath.
Dia sebab I punya rumah ni kan ada 3 floor, so kita senang lah untuk pergi untuk third floor kan. Jadi tak ada macam kena naik tangga penat kan. So tu yang paling saya nampak lah, dan cepatlah pergerakan tu daripada apa yang maklum balas dia orang nampak macam lift ni nampak moden, canggih dan cantik lah. Dan lagi satu cepatlah pergerakan untuk ke tempat yang paling atas kan. Saya pilih luar rumah tu sebab dekat dalam tu saya rasa macam sempit. Kat luar ni macam luas lah.